I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Galaxy Watch 6 Classic to an Android phone. First, let's prepare. Make sure your Android phone is running Android 10 or later and has at least 1.5 gigabytes of RAM. Charge your Galaxy Watch 6 Classic to at least 50%. Then, download the Samsung Wearable app from the Google Play Store. Finally, enable both Bluetooth and location services on your phone to ensure a smooth connection process. Now let's pair your devices. Power on your Galaxy Watch 6 Classic and choose your desired language. On your Android phone, open the Samsung Wearable app. The app will automatically search for nearby devices. Tap Start and grant any requested permissions. Once your watch appears, select it. A 6-digit pairing code will display on both your watch and phone. Confirm they match to proceed with the connection. With your devices paired, the wearable app will guide you through the final setup steps. You'll need to agree to the terms and conditions and sign into your Samsung account for full functionality. Once complete, you can personalize your watch. Dive into the app to customize watch faces, manage notifications, and arrange your apps. Explore the robust health tracking features, including accurate heart rate monitoring and daily step counting, to make the most of your new smartwatch. Sometimes you might encounter minor hiccups. If pairing doesn't work, try restarting both your Android phone and your Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, then attempt the process again. Always ensure the Samsung Wearable app is updated to its newest version for optimal performance. Keep your phone and watch within a 10-meter range during the initial setup. For more stubborn issues, a factory reset of your watch, accessible through its settings menu, can often resolve problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.